the triple-digit pain. But first up, pamper yourself from the comfort of your own home. What you see are low-cost and effective beauty solutions with proven success.
Here with the details, Heather Mariano with the Beauty Kitchen, and of course, Jonathan Scott with the Barter Exchange Television to give us insight to weekend planning. Good morning and welcome to both of you.
Good morning, Las Vegas.
Good morning.
Tell us about your company.
Well, I am the creator of Beauty Kitchen, and what I do on my show, which you can view on heathermariano.tv, is I show people cool, low-cost ways to do their own spa products at home.
So it's inexpensive items, that it doesn't cost a fortune, and it's as if you're going to the spa.
Same spa results in the comforts of your own home.
So show us some of the stuff you have here.
Well, the first thing is, the Nevada heat. It just, your skin,
Kills it, yes.
So the best way to moisturize your skin is to do it naturally. So I use coconut oil, a little bit of olive water, and I just put it in a spritzer if you want to give me an arm.
I need it. I'm dry.
This really works. I actually brought some extra for you guys too. Awesome. And then you can just add your favorite essential oil and give it a nice scent and natural moisturizer.
Yeah, it smells great.
Love oil, right?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, there is one called Love Potion. You can use.
Love Potion.
And I pick all this stuff up at Whole Foods.
Awesome.
This
Really?
smells really good.
Yeah, I actually brought one for you.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Cool.
And then the second thing, your hair gets so dry and frizzy in Nevada.
Yeah.
So the natural mask is you just use an avocado, some mayonnaise, an egg, put it on your hair for about 30 minutes, use that Nevada heat, sit outside, and there you go, conditioned hair.
Very simple. Yeah, you always have the
Your flowing
pool.
locks. Now, I have to ask aprons as well, right?
Yes, I do have a line of aprons coming out if you want to put one on.
Yeah, I'll take the pink one.
I'll take the leopard.
You're a leopard type.
You actually make these aprons?
I don't make them myself.
But that's part of your line.
Crafty, but I do have them handmade.
They're
And
cute.
there's a tab on heathermariano.tv to get all the information on that as well.
I actually have an apron collection.
I heard that, so you can actually keep that one.
But these are a little sexier than the ones I have at home. I love it. I love it. Okay, yes. I sure need it. Thank you.
Sexy in and out of the kitchen.
Sexy chef. I love it.
Yes.
So go to the website.
Absolutely.
heathermariano.tv.
Now it's deal time.
Let's go.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Let's do it.